Hi, this how to 1 minute gonna show you how to edit or customize your Wix website footer and header. First of all, go to your Wix website editor. Once you are in your site editor, now select your header first of all. Once your header section selected, in this right hand menu you will see this quick edit icon. Just click on quick edit, and in this right hand menu you will see a side menu. Using this side menu, you will be able to easily customize your Wix website header. So for example, I want to change my logo. So here's selecting logo and clicking on change. And now you can easily upload a new photo from your computer by clicking here. I'm going to selecting an existing photo from a library. And as you can see, my header logo has been successfully changed. And now if you want to change your header logo text or paragraph, you can do it from here. And now to change your header slide background, you can also change your header background slide color from here. Also, you can select any specific elements and then you will be able to customize the elements using this top menu. And now let's edit our Wix website footer section. So scroll down, go to the footer section, and the same way just select the footer section and click on quick edit, and the quick edit panel will open in this right hand menu. From here you can easily edit your footer paragraph text. You can add your social bar from here, and you can also add FAQ text from here. You can change your footer strip background. You can also customize your footer copyright text from here. And after customizing your website, don't forget to click on publish, and that's it. This is how we can easily customize our Wix website header and footer. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching.